everybody, welcome back to Crazy Nice Homes. Today we're here at Tampines to explore a 1,603 square feet resale maisonette. If you're ready, let's go! This episode is brought to you by Hometrust. Hometrust is Singapore's top interior design platform that offers advice and feedback on design firms. Hometrust has helped over 20,000 homeowners shortlist their ideal interior designers for their renovation projects. Find thousands of interior design ideas and genuine reviews of interior designers in Singapore with Hometrust today.
Hi Lester.
Vincent, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks for having me here. So, Vincent, first question. What's the theme and inspiration behind this house?
Okay, concept of this house is industrial concepts, and we do a lot of expo piping and coming with a lot of cement textures. So first thought of this unit right side is our dining area.
I gotta say, I really love these lights here. It's really cool.
So 这个灯的话，它是 off the shelf。when 这个灯来的时候，它幕是带点红色的。So 我是觉得那个颜色是不 match 这个 themes。So 这个颜色我们 decide to stain into darker colors.
Oh, okay. So this actual wood beam here is red in color, but then you painted it black. Okay. So I want to ask you about the coil of wires that you see.
Okay, so when coming 的时候 because 我们要重新 stain 过嘛 so 我们重新绑过这个绳子咯 to redesign the looks.
So you made it high low
yep,
just to give it a nice feel.
Make it more natural.
This is really creative piece of light here. Just right at the entrance, centerpiece of the home. Alright, I'm very excited to check out the rest of the house.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So Lester, the original wall was here. So to enlarge the kitchen, so right now we shift the wall to be here.
Are those bricks that I see in the room?
Yes, it's feature brick wall.
Oh, but this bricks here looks really big, but those bricks that we see outside are a lot smaller. So the bricks here, is it heavier and workmanship wise more expensive?
Actually, 它的价钱是一样的。So 我们决定是偏黑色的漆 to make the wall seamless. So we decide to shift the wall back is because we enlarge the kitchen and put an island in the middle. So we choose a concrete surface top for the island.
Okay, so what material is this top?
We call sinter stone.
So what are the benefits of sinter stone?
Okay, for food and drinks when 倒在上面的时候，它就不会那么容易的 seep 进去。
Guys, I bet you've never seen such a unique cooker hood before.
So to make the kitchen more outstanding, we introduce a very special looking chimney to owner. So Lester, we decide to put the fridge at the first area is because for living and dining is easier to reach. And also we didn't put the fridge at the corner side is because the door of fridge can't open fully.
Okay, so this is really a good tip for all of you, right? So after you've bought your fridge, remember to always consult your designer because if not, you'll face the problem of not being able to open your fridge door. So always remember to ask your designer about it.
So Lester, are you urgent?
Huh?
Okay, 你要用厕所吗? Actually, this is the entrance of common bathroom. You can try to slide.
Oh, sliding door.
Yeah.
Oh, so what door is this?
We call it metal barn door.
Metal, but then metal in the toilet. So will it rust?
Won't, because we are using galvanized with powder coat finish, come with two-sided mirror to enlarge the internal space of common bathroom.
Wow, what a nice big open area we have here.
Yeah, it's a racing area for owner.
Okay, but it'll be so open here, right? What if it rains?
Don't worry, let me show you Lester. So Lester, we are using a roller shutter to cover it up, but there's many ways to cover these things is like window or zip track.
Okay, so roller shutter like this, how much does it cost?
It's about 4 to 5K, height is around 5 meters. Okay Lester, welcome to the living room. So like earlier that I told you, we did a cement sheet with epoxy polishing finish.
What is epoxy polishing finish?
So for a residential unit, because of cement sheeting, we'll have a lot like powdering textures. So epoxy is just to make the flooring become smooth.
Oh, okay. So you also use concrete for the ceiling?
Yeah, we did a cement sheet texture on the ceiling as well.
Okay, but you know concrete usually have a lot of cracks, right? So is this a problem?
Actually, it's fine. Hairline crack for cement shredding will make it look more natural. let me show you to the second floor.
We have a very quirky light design here.
Yeah, actually a lot of maisonette unit, for this area they are using a chandelier, but we are not. Because of industrial concept, we decide to use a black wire. Initially, we are choosing short wire, but coming out is like spider. So we extend the wire to make it like coil designs to match the industrial concepts. So throughout the second floor is parquet, so we restain in black, which can match the industrial concepts.
Okay, I have parquet in my home as well. I really love parquet. The feel of parquet on my feet is really... But then I think the problem is of parquet is that, you know, with the chair, sit long already, a lot of depression in parquet.
Yeah, for parquet got pros and cons. So pros is when we step on it, it's very comfortable. The cons is stretch easily. Then second is high maintenance and also cost expensive.
Wow, this is such a grand opening to the master bedroom toilet.
Yeah, this is the French door for master bathroom door.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
Okay, so this one we decide to use a black frame. So internal is a wire mesh, come with glass finish.
So this is metal?
Yep.
Okay, will it be rusty?
Actually, it won't. It's the same material with downstairs metal bundle. So the frame is using galvanized, coming with powder coat finish.
But this glass here looks like my BTO toilet, you know, the window.
Actually, it's okay. For industrial concepts, wire mesh is totally can match the theme. So Lester, this is the mosaic feature wall with black grouting. Black grouting is for low maintenance.
Okay, but I still see some white spots here. Is that soap or?
It's water mineral. So water mineral, after we shower, right, it's easy stay on the grout. So don't worry, for future can regrout again. So Lester, this is the last stop. Welcome to the master bedroom. So what we choose for this wardrobe is a metallic surface wardrobe.
Okay, so is this laminate?
Yes, it's laminate. So you can see for master bedroom, we are using industrial hanging lights as well with the feature wall in symmetric looks.
So the cement screen is the same as downstairs?
Yes, it seems like the downstairs ceiling.
Also without epoxy?
Yeah. So as well, you can see a lot of the piping we do as much as possible to bring out the industrial concept look.
So Vincent, the million-dollar question, how much does it cost to do up this beautiful home?
The entire renovation cost is 130,000.
Well, so my favorite part of this home really has to be the metal barn door with the customized two-way mirror, because why? Firstly, you can check yourself out in the mirror, and secondly, it really expands the space both outside and inside the toilet as well. So Vincent, what's your favorite part of the home?
So my favorite part of this house is at the island area, so we can chill with friends.
Well, so let us know in the comment section which part of the home that you like best. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click here for more crazy nice homes. We hope to see all of you next time. Bye-bye!